If you are experiencing a verification pending status in Octopus deploy, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check deployment status. Verify the current status of your deployment in the Octopus deploy dashboard. Look for any errors or warnings that may indicate why the verification is pending. Step 2. Review project settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Inspect task logs. Access the task logs for the deployment that is pending verification. Look for any specific error messages or warnings that could provide insight into what is causing the delay. Step 4. Restart Tentacle service. If the issue persists, try restarting the Tentacle service on the deployment target. This can help resolve any connectivity or service-related issues that may be causing the verification to hang. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Octopus Deploy support for further assistance. Provide them with relevant details, including task logs and deployment configurations to expedite the troubleshooting process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue in Octopus Deploy. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek additional help.